Hey there, Beehiiv team. I am Harshit Vadiparthi, and I'm currently applying for the Solutions Engineering role at Beehiiv. And this video is going to be a live demonstration into my technical ability and my communication skills and how I could be a perfect fit for the Solutions Engineering role that's currently open at Beehiiv. And also my ability to help out C-suite executives and enterprise-grade customers. So let's dive right in. And this video is actually going to be about connecting Zapier and LinkedIn. And every time a Beehiiv post is actually posted, it's going to create a post on LinkedIn. So that basically means every time a newsletter is posted, it creates a post on LinkedIn and directly automatically posts it. So let's see how we can do that using Zapier API. So the first step here is going to be to just go to home. Yes. Here we can actually just type in the kind of activity that we want as well, because in the previous video we have discussed, it's more like if this, then that, and it's like a set of triggers. And if we just write this in, AI is going to create the whole automation sequence. And that's something that I did as well. And now we can just go to Zaps, and it's actually super easy to do so. And now I don't think you can see the option. Let me just minimize this. Let's have to create new Zap. And once I do so, I still have an option to use that as well. But now I'm just going to click on trigger. And now here, I'll be selecting Beehiiv. Yeah, so I've selected Beehiiv. And this one. And this one, I'm just going to select LinkedIn. So this can actually work for other platforms as well. But for now, let's just use LinkedIn itself. And now, as you can see, it still shows that button there, right? So we're still not done with the trigger. So now app and event is going to be Beehiiv, and event is going to be new post sent, and now we continue. So in the previous video, I've actually integrated my Beehiiv with Beehiiv a publication with Zapier using my API key. So that's already done. And now we move ahead to the trigger. So what is the trigger? So now we click on exit liquidity, which is the publication, and webhook description. I'll just type it as a Zap for sending automated post on LinkedIn. That's it. And now I can just click on continue. And I have an option to test this out. So is this going to test the trigger? So let's just test the trigger. Yeah, the trigger actually works. And post A, and this is just going to bring all the previous post that I've just posted, which was purpose of wealth, the purpose of wealth, and this is going to give everything a new tag, a new record. So new record is created. So let's just continue with the selected records. And now as you can see, there's a green sign for Beehiiv. So now let's move on to LinkedIn. For LinkedIn, I just create an action saying create a share post, continue. And for this, you actually have to connect your LinkedIn as well. So I've already connected my LinkedIn. Not too difficult, just sign in and then sign in with your LinkedIn, continue. So now it's actually the part where we have to figure out a little bit. So right now, as you can see, I have this dashboard, and I'm just going to go ahead and start filling the tags here. Yes. So now, as you can see, for the comment part, I've just added the subject line, and for the content, I've just added the URL. So just kept it like pretty simple. But if possible, you can actually add the image URL, the content description, the content title as well. But for now, let's just continue with this. And now when we continue, ask us to test. So let's just test out the step. So perfect, it actually works out. So now we just go ahead with the publishing. And now, as you can see, it is going to give us a prompt if you want to publish this. Let us go ahead and publish. And done. It's just publish that, and the message will actually disappear. This one will disappear after 10 seconds. And after that, we can actually see our new post. Yeah, so that's how it shows up. It just says the purpose of wealth and the link itself. So that's how I use Zapier APIs to set up Beehiiv and LinkedIn publication. So hope this was insightful and shows some of my skills in technical ability as well. And I can also do the same with Pabbly, Make.com, Pipedream, and other such platforms too. And yeah, actually would love to be on board with Beehiiv as solutions engineer. And I'm pretty sure that I can also learn other triggers and execute the way the customer wants it. So I can 100% do that. So yeah, thank you so much. And please do consider my application for this role. Thank you.